Forget everything you know about RVs, because what you're looking at is something entirely different. This is the Triton X3, a sleek, futuristic four-wheel camper van concept designed for style, comfort, and city-ready travel. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I need your support to keep bringing these wild automotive concepts to life. From the outside, the Triton X3 looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. The front end features a bold, cockpit-inspired windshield that wraps around like a fighter jet canopy, giving the driver a panoramic view and the van a completely futuristic presence. Sharp body lines, slim LED strips, and an ultra-smooth roofline complete the space-age vibe. This isn't a boxy camper. It's a design masterpiece built for the modern road. Built on a four-wheel platform, the Triton X3 delivers a stable and smooth ride, perfect for urban streets and weekend getaways. It's not made for off-grid terrain. Instead, it's all about efficient, comfortable travel with plug-and-play convenience. Whether you're parking in a city lot or rolling into a beachside RV park, the Triton fits right in. Inside, it's like stepping into a luxury pod. You've got a convertible lounge area that doubles as a full-size bed, wrapped in high-end materials and mood lighting. The minimalist kitchenette comes with an induction cooktop, a compact fridge, and hidden storage that keeps everything clean and clutter-free. The bathroom is cleverly designed too, compact but complete, with a shower, toilet, and sink tucked into a sleek, space-saving layout. Everything in the Triton X3 is made for comfort and ease. No complex off-grid systems, no need to rough it. Just plug in and enjoy. A touchscreen control panel manages your lighting, climate, entertainment, and more, all designed to feel as futuristic and seamless as the vehicle itself. Whether you're working remotely, heading out for a weekend escape, or just want a luxury mobile space to chill, the Triton X3 gives you freedom without sacrificing sophistication. It's compact, connected, and incredibly cool, like a first-class lounge on wheels. So what do you think? Is the Triton X3 the future of modern camper vans? Would you step into a cockpit-style mobile living machine like this? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Lux Auto X for more head-turning concepts, luxury builds, and next-level vehicle design.